Hey guys, if you've noticed, the new Cut Master has a steep elevation change, and the reason why we did that is for practicing cuts exactly like this. When I come down this in this deep recessed area, you need a lot of control to obviously not scratch the car. So what I'm gonna do is come down in here and be extra light, and this is exactly where I feel these are some of the hardest cuts because my blade is just straight at the car. I'm so light you wouldn't even believe it. And here I come around, and now I finally am back in my comfort zone. I'm gonna come all the way around to the edge of the film. And again, right here is where the steep elevation on the Cut Master comes in really handy, and right there I finally get to the edge of the film. And right at the edge, I'm gonna pick this up. I could see my score mark, I get it started. And now let's see if I was able to actually cut deep enough for it to cut in this recess area. Now, as you can see, come in super close. See how it's pulling up the bumper? That's my sign that I didn't cut too deep and scratch the car, because it's pulling up the piece that I want to stay. Here, it's there, it's pulling up just a little bit. And I'm really happy with that cut. So keep that in mind. The Cut Master has that steep elevation change so you can practice these really difficult spots. And when I say difficult, I mean difficult to not scratch the car and go too deep. You'd be amazed at how light you actually have to be. Again, I can cut on my arm, and this is about the pressure that I have when I'm cutting in those really difficult areas. So if you don't already have a Cut Master, make sure to head over and order yours now before we run out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.